Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you delete a shopping list in the Amazon shopping application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you can go down below in the second option and there you will find the profile symbol. Just press on that and you can find your list here in the fourth option, or if you just scroll down a little bit you can also see it your list section. Now you just press on one of those, wait until it loads in, and you can see here are your lists and registries. Now for example, I want to delete the shopping list too. I just press on it and you can see right next to it there is 3 lines there, and just press on that and you should select the last option here, which is delete list. And after that you just have to press yes to the confirm delete window. After doing so, your list will be deleted. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.